Manifest money at rapid speed. Let's get your money game going and manifesting what you truly desire monetarily wise and fulfilling your financial manifestation power. Before we jump into today's video, we're going to go through a couple of techniques together. Before we do, go ahead and throw a like on the video. It's going to send it out to a lot more people. Together we can spread the positivity and awareness to everybody on this planet just that much more. When you throw a like on the video, click subscribe and then click the bell icon to get notified when we send out more great manifestation how-to content. This channel is your go-to channel on knowing exactly what to do to get results, and we're results oriented here. Remember, money is an energy game, and when we want to manifest money, we need to be in the essence of what the money energy really is. We want to think in terms of this reality that you see around you in your financial world. What your financial destiny is right now is a direct reflection of what's going on inside your imagination most of your day. So whatever you're chatting about money-wise in your imagination throughout your day is what you're experiencing in your life. So if the chatter with money is, it's never enough, where's all the money, I don't have enough to pay the bills, I always ask for some sort of money intention, but I don't normally get it, right? If that's my mind chatter most of my day, that's what's being impressed into my subconscious mind, the universal side of us, and actually attracting to myself more circumstances of the same. It's really important to realize that our mental chatter, even if it's a mental chatter about current circumstances, yesterday, the past in some sort of fashion, it's not that that mental chatter is nothing, it's just about yesterday. What it actually is that mental chatter today is actually pushing itself onto the screen of space tomorrow. So we really want to understand, am I draining and wasting the mental energy I have thinking about yesterday's or today's financial problems? Or am I investing my thought energy into tomorrow's financial abundance? Really big question for you to answer for yourself. So basically, we want to understand, if I can think in terms of seeing my world in imagination in the fourth dimensional side of me, if I could start seeing my world in possession of abundance, seeing myself in prosperous conditions, for example, seeing my bank account filled, seeing sales come through in my business, seeing people donating money or giving money or whatever it is that you want to receive money, or winning the lottery, it doesn't matter what it is to receive the money. We want to understand, if I could see those prosperous conditions within, it's going to start being activated and pressed upon from my imagination onto the screen of space, and things are going to start to move in that direction of providing you the opportunity of prosperous conditions. I hope that makes sense so far. So we really allow ourselves to imagine, to become the fourth dimensional side of us, not working in the 3D physical plane only. Work from the higher to the lower. See yourself now in prosperous conditions. What's going to start to activate is things in motion to allow yourself to attract opportunities, circumstances, and good things into your life to allow you to actually experience what you've been seeing in your imagination. We want to understand imagination has all possibilities. Imagination is the universe itself. So if I could see it in my imagination, I could co-create it with the universe itself, and it can come into my world. It's not magic, though. We don't want to think as rapid results as some magic thing that's going to poof out of thin air. Even if you do want money to manifest in 24 hours or less, or this week alone, we don't think of it as magic. It's all we think of it as, I see it in the higher side, the fourth dimension, the energetic, the vibrational side of me. And since I'm an energetic entity, I'm an energetic being, and I'm connected with this universe, if I could see it in imagination and feel it to be true today, I'm going to impress it upon my subconscious mind, and what it's going to do is activate what we call the bridge of incidents to occur. Things are going to attract to us to actually attain the money. Here's one technique that has worked so well in my life. It's going to work for you as well. Try it, test it, experiment with it. You want manifestation to be experiments. You want to think of it as like a scientist. Try out some things, see the data. Did it work? If it works, do more of the same. If it doesn't, change it, or figure out why it didn't work, right? We don't want to think of manifestation as hope. You know, I'm going to send out some things, I hope it comes to pass. I'm going to send out some things and I really wish it to come. No, we don't want to be in that game. That's magic thinking. Now, we're not thinking magically. We want to think of this as a system. This is a science that's predictable and consistent. And the more you believe in that, the more your manifestations are actually going to come. Here's a technique. We do 10 and 10. You ask for 10 money amounts for 10 days straight. Okay, so basically, all in one go, you ask for different amounts of money in the present tense. I now receive $500. I now receive $25. I now receive $10,000. Vary the amounts, okay? You want to do big amounts, small amounts, really everything, because if you do attract $25 out of the blue, unexpected, it is going to raise your belief level. So maybe you want a lot more money than $25, but asking for everything is going to get you into a habit of asking the universe for what you want and seeing in your mind what you do want. So today, you ask for 10 different money amounts. I encourage you to write it out. It's what we call scripting. Say it in the present as if you already have it. I now received blank amount of money. Thank you, universe. You write down 10 different amounts. The next day, write down 10 new amounts. So basically, you're not repeating the same 10 amounts. You do something brand new tomorrow, 10 new amounts. And then you do that for 10 days straight. By the end of 10 days, you're going to ask for 100 different money amounts. Are you going to get them all? No, you're probably not going to get all of those as you move forward. And in fact, a lot of those are not going to come in 10 days. But what you're going to do is get into the habit of asking, get into the habit of seeing yourself in a mental abundance before you actually get there, into a habit of feeling like your money's already here. And by the end of 10 days, you're going to be in a different money energy. You're going to be in that abundance, prosperous energy. And again, this is one of the biggest things that's ever helped me change the money game. I used to be in a lot of lack. I used to be in like, there's never enough, right? I want things, I have goals, I have intentions, but there's never enough to go around, right? So as you get yourself into a habitual way of thinking in abundance and prosperous conditions, things are going to start to move. You're going to get into the habit of asking that way. So again, 10 things in 10 days. In the comments below, do day number 1 here now. Make yourself accountable. So in the comment, just say day number 1, and then put what you ask for. I now receive $500. I now received $1,000, right? Do your various money amounts. Do 10 of them in one comment. Seems like a lot, but again, it's going to hold you accountable. You're actually going to apply the things here and now today. If you want more money in your life, it's not about knowing more about manifestation. It's about changing your consciousness, raising your level of consciousness, your thinking and feeling around money. And that's going to start actually making the changes in your life. Okay, so again, in the comments below, take your day number 1, ask for 10 different money amounts, put in the comments, and then every single day from here, do it for 10 days straight. You're going to see your money game start to explode. You're going to start seeing things happen unexpectedly, expectedly, left and right. That's going to really blow your mind. Try it out. Let me know what your results look like.